Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Paradox. From the groundbreaking oral insulin to the nightmarish fully autonomous dentist robot, today we will go over the 5 biggest and most exciting breakthroughs in the field of medical science of this year so far. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Number 5. Fully autonomous dentist robot. Sounds like a scary scene from a horror movie, maybe. But in a historic moment for the dental profession, an AI-controlled autonomous robot has performed an entire procedure on a human patient for the first time ever, and on top of that, about 8 times faster than any average dentist. The system, built by Boston company Perceptive, uses a handheld 3D volumetric scanner, which builds a detailed 3D model of the mouth, including the teeth, gums and even nerves under the tooth surface, using optical coherence tomography, or OCT. Number 4. PillBot. In the summer of 2024, a medical equipment supplier based in California called Endiatx has begun clinical trials of its ingestible PillBot, which will enable doctors to remotely examine the gastrointestinal tract of a patient over a Zoom call. Company is aiming even higher though, planning to add tools to microsurgeon robots that can remove polyps, cauterize bleeds, sample the microbiome, and even collect biopsy samples. The biggest benefit of this technology is access to immediate diagnosis anywhere on the planet. Well, as long as you have internet to connect to a Zoom call. Number 3. Personalized vaccinations. Global clinical trial led by researchers at the Johns Hopkins Kimmel Cancer Center found that personalized anti-tumor vaccine combined with immunotherapy is almost twice as likely to shrink cancer, as compared to standard immunotherapy alone for patients with hepatocellular carcinoma, the most common type of liver cancer. The study enrolled 36 patients with HCC. Nearly 1/3 of the patients treated with the combination therapy saw their tumors shrink about twice than expected. About 8% had a complete response with no evidence of tumor left after the combination treatment. The results were very encouraging to say the least. Number 2. An organic cure for baldness. On June 3, 2024, an international team of scientists from the University of Sheffield and Comsats University, Pakistan made an accidental discovery. A sugar naturally existing called 2-deoxyderibose, which is found in both in animals and humans, could be harnessed as a topical treatment for male pattern baldness. The intention of the research was originally to study how the sugar can help to heal wounds by promoting the formation of new blood vessels. But during the research, the team also noticed that hair around the healing wounds appeared to grow more quickly than the untreated body. To explore this further, the scientists established a model of testosterone-driven hair loss in mice, similar to the cause of pattern baldness in men. The research is still very much in early stage, but news of the breakthrough has been causing quite a buzz. Number 1. Oral insulin. Diabetes rates continue to rise worldwide. Those with type 1, and many with type 2, will need insulin a few times a day, and that's usually delivered through a painful injection. Not only that can be scary for some patients, it also creates potential biohazard and contamination risk. Even though oral insulin sounds great, there is a major challenge. Insulin is a fragile molecule that doesn't survive once it reaches stomach and gets destroyed before it is even absorbed in the bloodstream, but it looks like a team of researchers at UBC have finally cracked the code. Instead of swallowing it directly, it is taken as drops, which are placed right under the tongue. Drops are then quickly and efficiently absorbed by the body in the most painless way. A unique cell-penetrating peptide, which is sourced from fish byproducts, is what enables the insulin to get absorbed and reach the bloodstream quickly. Finally, thank you for watching and see you next time.